Hi guys, good afternoon for another day of analysis of US30. Now we are going to start from the top-down analysis. In the previous video, I've already showed you guys the update for the 100K account. Let's take a look and see what we think price is going to do today. Bearing in mind there is a couple of rate folders today for USD in the afternoon as well as later in the evening, 7 p.m. UK time. So I might stay away from the charts if I don't find anything really probably setting up. And as well as if I were to take a trade, it is going to be really away from the news timings as well as keeping really my stop losses and my trades really, really low risk as well as tight stop losses. So yeah, there we go. And I would be watching it just because if I were to take a trade that is, I just don't want to be caught in the news and the slippage because price really moves really quick during those times. But yeah, so let's just take a quick look at what I think price is doing at the moment. This is on a time frame, daily time frame. Price is here at the moment, and I've drawn two more support resistance lines where I do think that if price where it is, like I just want you guys to take a look at this. Like I could literally draw another support resistance line right here just to show you guys. Like right here where price is, you can actually see that it's teetering around this region, if you can see, and it's come back to touch this point. I'm going to delete this. This was yesterday's trade. Um, it's teetering at this point here where it's bounced off a few times. So if price does what do you call that? Remain above this line, and then it's probably going to consolidate a little bit. Now we know we have a little bit of a bullish momentum because it's above this, it's going to bounce off. But if it does close below, then we are going to get a little bit of consolidation, and then price is going to go down for the next touch point, and obviously the next one, and then we've got the big buy on the block right at the bottom. Okay, so this is really my take on US30 for today. I've drawn my touch points here, guys, so you can see 32754 roundabout and 32500 roundabout here. Now, as for what I think price could possibly do today, I mean, price is on a bearish momentum, okay? So it's just that, let me just see. Yeah, so it's just the price is kind of like breaking off the support resistance line here. So I do think that we are going to see a fall in price to the next level. So I am bearish, like I'm not looking for buys at all at this point when it comes to US30. But like I said, we do have news. So this could just be a fake out or a liquidity grab, really. Bear with me. So yeah, we do have a zone here, you know. So if it's just really just to see what price is doing off this zone, and I do think price obviously can do a little bit of retracement here before it continues on its downtrend. But overall, I am bearish. I'm gonna turn on my indicators. Okay, so this is, my 200 moving average is like really important for me to know what trend direction is. I mean, we already know it's bearish, but on the higher time frames, it's below. So it's bearish overall, guys. Okay, 4 hours bearish. On a daily, it's touched it. So this is what I was telling yesterday in yesterday's analysis. The price is going to come touch this 200 moving average on the daily, which it has. Now the question really is what it's going to do at this point. And if it does break through it today, we are going to see a little bit of retracement, kind of like retracement consolidation at this point here, just to see price this was a fake out or not, and then price is going to continue tanking. Like, yeah. So at this moment it's just bouncing off here, okay? So it could really be a slow move where it's literally teetering at this point and close above the support resistance level, like how it's rejected at this point here. Can you see? So we know we are getting tanks, like possibly, but here it rejected. It literally went back right up, and then took everybody out here at this point because this is a zone here. If you guys can see, this area is a zone. Took everybody out as a fake out, came back down, did a retest, and then tanked. But anyway, so yeah, this has been a crucial area of interest, guys, for price. Like it has come down a few times now in the recent times from May, and then again in May, in 2 weeks later, and then here again. So you can see the price is trying to push down. This is what I would have thought, but like I said, it's an important area of interest, so keep an eye on that. As for trading for today, um, like I said, we have news today. Mm, Typically, I'm not looking for buys, even though that might be a retracement. There might be long like news reactions that might go all the way to the upside, take all the liquidity on the buy. Look at how much liquidity is lying here, guys. Like it might come all the way up here, take all this out, reject it off the 200 moving average on the 15-minute time frame, and then go right back down again to the lower lows. But yeah, so this is just my analysis. I'm really not looking for any buys at the moment because I think it's super risky. Um, but yes, so trade safely and manage your risk management. But overall, I'm bearish until we see a change of structure and where price is, yeah, just a change of structure and see what price is doing for the later of the day today. So happy trading, guys.